Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel, The Forex Nexus. Today we are going to explain the strong setup on Bbma and we will identify weak setup on Bbma, which re-entry is strong and which re-entry is weak. So first of all, we need to identify candlestick direction and our candlestick momentum. Then after that we will move to identify setup on same time frame. First of all, let's mark. Here we got the candlestick direction. Also here we got a candlestick direction by, candlestick direction by, candlestick direction sell. But you can see here why this candlestick direction failed to give us a re-entry. Also this one failed and the market went up, didn't give a strong sell setup. Why this is happening? Before going to the further explanation, if you are new to our channel, please must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. So these are the setups. Now we are going to mark the high winning ratio trades, why these are valid and why these setups are invalid. As you know, before in the first lesson we discussed about the Bollinger band. This is Bollinger band. It's squeezed, it's flat ranging. The Bollinger band is ranging here, and here we got the expansion Bollinger band. You can see here this one is expanding. Mostly it happens in ranging areas. When the Bollinger band is flat, the upper BB is also flat and the lower BB is also flat, and the middle BB, which its function is to work like a mediator between buyer and sellers. But if both are flat, it means that the market have no direction. The market can't decide to go upside or downside. But as compared to the ranging area, and also compared to the ranging area and the expanding area, it's too clear that why these re-entries are invalid and why these re-entries are valid. Because we know that the market here at this point, also this one, that the market have strong bullish momentum and the Bollinger band expanding. But the main thing you need to remember is that the MA 510 low is moving above the middle band. That's the important key. You need to focus on this point. When the MA 510 low is above the middle band, it means that the market have strong bullish trend, and we can take this re-entry after the confirmation on second time frame, also on third time frame. Confirmation is must, because if we don't confirm our trade with with the help of multiple time frame analysis, then we can make losses. After we get confirmation, we can get we can catch a good winning trades. Let me found more examples. You can see here when the market dropped to the MA 510, we got rejection from EMA 50, but the market failed to break to make CSAK here. Now what is CSAK? When the market get rejection from the lower band or the MA 510 low and the candle close above the MA 510 high, like here at this point, you can see it's called CSAK. In Malaysian language it's called candlestick arah kuku, and the CSD called CSK, candlestick kuku. So language doesn't matter, but when the candlestick close above the MA 510 high, then it's called CSAK buy, and if it close below the MA 510 low, then it's called CSAK sell. So here we got the here we got rejection from MA 510 high, and the candle failed to break the MA 510 high and form CSAK, but the market failed here. Now let's mark this area, and suppose the market failed, then we will look for a sell setup here on MA 510 high, because it's a re-entry sell here. So let's move to H1 time frame. On second time frame we will check out extreme here. So here we got the rejection from the MA 510, rejection from the upper band. So this is also extreme B. When we get rejection, it means that we got extreme B. On M15 we need extreme plus MLV, or if we didn't got MLV, then we will wait for the CSAK. So this is here we got the magic extreme. Magic extreme is when the MA 510 high, I mean both moving averages get outside of the upper band, it's called magic extreme. So we can make a sell here at this point. When the candle close, we will keep our stop loss above, then we will hold our trade. If we got momentum, it means that the market can further drop and we can hold our trade. Don't skip the video, watch it till end. Don't miss any point, because this is important thing, and mostly students are asking about the candlestick CSAK. So we explained that when the MA 510 high, suppose the market get rejection from the lower band and the candles going up toward the MA 510 high, and the market break it and close above the MA 510 high, it means that we got the CSAK and we can take our trade on retracement, or at that point also we can take our trade, but sometimes we need to wait for the retracement. So this is H4 confirm re-entry sell. Now you understand that which re-entry is strong and which re-entry is weak. So when the market, the Bollinger band is flat and it's forming CSD or CSAK, and the MA 510 low, and suppose in buy scenario it's below the lower band, you don't need to take that entry, because there is much chances to hit your stop loss. If the market is showing trend or momentum on any time frame, you need to catch the re-entry on trendy time frame. The first time frame is that when you catch a re-entry on first time frame, always look for the re-entry. Suppose H4 is your first time frame, then look for a re-entry on H4 time frame. you don't need to do anything with their time frame. Just find out the re-entry. On second time frame, you must need to wait for the extreme confirmation. If you got the extreme confirmation, then move to third time frame. On third time frame, you need extreme, or you need extreme plus MHV, or you need extreme plus MHV. But before going to the extreme MHV, you need to focus on the Bollinger Band. If the Bollinger Band is expanding, avoid that trade and wait for the curve shape. When it start curving, then take the trade, because there is much chances that the market can drop. If the re-entry is in sell direction, that there are much chances that the trade can drop and can give you profits. So this is the basic information about the BBMA, that which re-entry is valid, strong re-entry, and which re-entries we can avoid. So thank you for watching the video. Stay tuned with us. If you didn't subscribe our channel, must subscribe our channel to get notification for further lessons. Thank you for watching the video.